we can feel the uneven or unequal footing of blessings, of benefits that we have around of us. Mayroong may madami, mayroong may sapat na, mayroon ding wala na. But even though we may feel nothing, we do believe that there is still something in us at kailangan lang itong malaman at makita. Pero kahit na ang iilan ay may madami, may sapat, o may onti, lahat ito ay nagmumula at biyaya ng kabutihan ng Diyos. We've heard the gospel today, and it's just giving the right and even perfect image of God giving rightly and justly, marapat at matuwid. Walang lamangan, sapat at dapat lang. His goodness may be overflowing from our own point of view, but it is just right and just from the eyes of God. The landowner gave his laborers an equal pay, whether the worker worked the earliest or even the latest. He made them feel that they do not lack. In fact, it was clear from his end. It was clear from the landowner that he has given this usual daily wage, these things, from the generosity of his heart. Remember the last line of the owner. Are you envious because I am generous? The landowner did not work from the level of the weight of work, but worked on from the level and the weight of his love and care for these workers. At dahil ganon ang tumatakbo sa puso at isip, lahat ay may sapat, lahat nabigyan ng nararapat. Mga kapatid, ang Diyos paaalahanan ka na sapat ka at pinagpala ka. Pero madaming mga bubulong na wala ka at kulang ka pa. Such was the complaint of the worker who worked the earliest. And it's just a valid reason. Una ako nagtrabaho, pero ito lang ang nakuha ko. But he missed the heart of the landowner. He thought that he was working on the level of work, but he was really working on the level of love, of care and justice to everyone. Ayaw niyang magkaaway-away ang mga ito dahil sa lamangan. He wanted and gave what is just and equal to everyone so that happiness may be there. Kasi kung buhay ang lamangan sa mga iyon, tiyak tayo may tampuhan na mangyayari sa mga ito. He missed the heart of this giver. Madaming bubulong na wala ka o kulang pa. Our thought that we always lack and we always have nothing may mean a failure to see the heart of this giver. But at the heart of this giver is love and care. That is why all of us, whether it's big or small, would enjoy right and just blessings for us. My dear brothers and sisters, at the heart of the giver is his intent that all of us may enjoy graces and blessings. At the heart of this giver is not for us to say that we lack, that we always lack, that we always have none. At the heart of this giver, he wishes that you have enough, you have something or everything to enjoy. You have graces justly intended for you. It is not in the heart of this giver that we lack or for us to say that we have nothing. Be it big or small, this comes from the big heart of the giver who reminds us that we have enough and we are enough. We have been blessed and we are a blessing.